I'm Peter Haddock. I'm here at the Caterpillar stand at Bauma, inside the 395 with Juan. You are the product expert for what is an awesome piece of kit, the front shovel here. Lots of people around it, so we're inside the area.
Actually, yeah.
Tell me a little bit about this machine, and it's a really big one for Caterpillar, isn't it?
Correct. I mean, this is a new machine we are introducing now as we speak.
Yeah.
Okay. It's basically inheriting the 395 backhoe that we launched back in 2021, Next Gen Hex.
Yeah.
So it's basically inheriting the good fuel efficiency of that machine, the good hydraulic power that the customer already know, but now in a front shovel version. Now, I guess the question you might be coming now is why the front shovel version?
Exactly, why?
In some quarries or in some mines, especially because restriction in the space, you need to dig or you need to explode the mine in higher benches.
Yep.
This is where this machine, it makes the difference, because this machine can dig in higher benches. This machine do not need the space that normally you will need when you have a backhoe excavator to create your bench, so you can load the truck from the top. With this machine, you basically can load from the ground, okay, can go higher benches. So for quarry or mines where you have confined space, this machine is perfect. The other benefit of this machine is when you don't have a lot of supporting equipment to build your benches.
Right.
Well, this machine, as you blast, or in the quarry, for instance, as you blast, is ready to go, is ready to load the truck. So that's kind of the benefit of this machine if compared with a backhoe machine.
So people like to know with these sort of things, what can I fit in the front shovel and the bucket as such?
The bucket I have here, up to 6.5 cubic meter bucket, talking about 12 tons of actual payload in every single truck. So we have 6.5 and 5.7 for, let's say, heavier materials that you cannot carry a bigger bucket. In terms of cab, the cab itself is, again, it's inherited from the 395. So the comfort, the good, let's say, environment for the operator that we have in the 395 is here. The main difference, as you see, is the racer. This part here that you don't have in the 395. In the 395, you have the cab basically at this level. Here, as we want to give the operator the visibility for safety, for productivity, we put this racer to give that visibility, because you have a front now that is blocking most of the visibility if you compare it with the backhoe machine.
What powers this machine? Is a big cat engine, I should imagine.
This is a big C18 engine,
right?
Like the 395, okay? Two main pumps, like the 395. This machine comes equipped standard with 360 view.
Yes, that is important. Yeah,
even you have the racer, I mean, the operator from the screen have the 360 view, so everything around the operator can see from the screen. Okay?
So are there any other specifications that people can look at, the tracks and things like that for this machine, for any different applications? What else can people look for?
Correct. I mean, the most typical tracks that we have here, which is the 650 millimeter track. This is the most common for rock type of environment, but we can also offer wider tubes, especially when you have soft or spongy soil where you need more flotation.
But folks, there's one thing I had to move to point out with this machine: cylinders.
There's a bunch of it, you see. Huh?
Yeah, but they're slightly different, because this is about the operation of the shovel. Tell me about how it can move in to take the product out.
This cylinder arrangement you have here is unique. You won't see it in another front shovel anywhere. This is unique from CAT, and basically it's designed to give the operator, to give the machine a bit better of penetration. It's going to work to keep the natural flow of the bucket, so it enables the operator to go flat on the bench, to maintain the floor flat, to keep a straight cut, to give more penetration, more fill factor, which is more productivity. Okay, and it's obviously going to help the machine to deliver more with this new design.
Wow, you can't beat a big shovel, and this one certainly is it. Thanks ever so much. I'm just going to go and see if I can dig enough material to fill it.
Believe me, you will.
Might take me a while. Cheers.
Cheers.